Good morning, guys. So today I'm gonna be put some wheel spacers on the car. I've already changed out the 16-inch winter tires I had. I sold the 20-inch BBS LM replicas because they just weren't the right all-year fit for my daily. So I sold them. Then I waited for a while and I wanted to get some 18 inches for using all the time. So I picked up some style 189 that are quite clean and nice. They have a bit of a curb rash, and but I'm not gonna worry about that until maybe spring. Maybe I'll paint them then. But for now I just bought some tires, winter tires to put on them, and they look pretty good on the car. But I wanted to add some spacers because the offset is low as the 3 Series use. So let's put them on and see the difference.
Been trying to change what I've been trying to say. Words don't come straight from my head to my mouth. It's such a shame that it.
So for the back I'm gonna be using 20mm spacers made in Germany. And for the front I'm gonna be using 10mm. Bought from Fahrzeugtechnik. And also some longer bolts.
Change what you wanted. I wish that I could change what you wanted. I wish that I could change what you wanted. I wish that I could change what you wanted. I wish that I could change what you wanted.